what you bishni.
Yeah. Listen close now, listen close. They talk a lot, but what do they want? Tell me what's the desire. Hey, 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 L. What you bishni? Tell me what you want from me. What you bishni? Is it love or luxury? You see the stars alignment, you see the energy, so what you bishni? Clear the negativity. Yeah. Walking down the street, I hear the whispers in the air. Everybody's looking for a magic word to spare. Some people want the power, some people want the fame. But if you don't know who you are, it's just a losing game. Don't just sit and wait for the sky to fall. If you want the world, you gotta take it all. Hear the chant rising from the deep, deep sea. Open up your mind and answer me. Oh, you bishni, tell me what you want from me. Keep it pure, keep it true. What you wish for, then comes back to you. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni, oh, what you bishni, yeah. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni, oh. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni, oh. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni, oh. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni, oh. What you bishni, tell me what you want from me. What you bishni, is it love or luxury? You see the stars alignment, you see the energy, so what you bishni, clear the negativity. Now, what you bishni? Keep it pure, keep it true. What you wish for them comes back to you. What you bishni, what you bishni, what you bishni.